Tixu AI presents itself as an online learning platform that claims AI can boost productivity by up to 37%. The website says it helps users unlock their potential by learning real, practical AI skills that can be used for work, freelancing, and professional growth. It also promotes access to popular tools like ChatGPT, Gemini, Claude, Grok, Perplexity, DeepSeek R1, and LLaMA, along with ready-made prompts and guided lessons designed for beginners. Before we go any further, here's a quick disclaimer. This video is for educational and awareness purposes only. We do not promote or endorse any products shown. All opinions are based on public information and red flags that may suggest misleading or unsafe marketing. Now, let's talk about the red flags you should be aware of before signing up. One thing that stands out on the Tixu AI website is the strong marketing language. Claims like boosting productivity by 37% and opening new income streams can sound very attractive, especially to beginners. However, the website doesn't clearly explain how those numbers are measured, which means they should be taken more as marketing statements rather than guaranteed results. Another concern some users have mentioned is pricing clarity. A few reviews online complain that subscription details are not always very clear up front, and some people were surprised by recurring charges. There are also reports of slow refunds, which can be frustrating if you decide the platform isn't for you. These issues don't necessarily mean the platform is fake, but they are still important things to consider before entering payment details. That said, it's also important to look at the green flags, and Tixu AI does have several positive signs worth mentioning. Independent reviews describe Tixu AI as a real educational platform rather than a get-rich-quick or guaranteed income system. While the marketing talks about earning with AI, most reviews make it clear that results depend entirely on how users apply the skills they learn. This is actually a good sign, because legitimate learning platforms usually don't promise automatic income. The platform focuses on practical skills like prompt engineering, content creation, automation, and real-world AI use cases, instead of just theory, which many users appreciate. Another positive point is that learning on Tixu AI is described as hands-on. Users say the lessons are structured in a way that combines explanations with actual tools, allowing learners to practice what they're taught instead of just watching videos. Many reviews mention that the platform is beginner-friendly and well-organized, making it easier for people with no AI background to understand how tools like ChatGPT and Gemini can be used in daily tasks or online work. Trustpilot reviews also show a high overall rating with a large number of user reviews, which is generally a strong trust signal. Most users confirm that they received real content and proper access after signing up, which helps rule out the idea of it being a fake or empty platform. There is some negative feedback, but it's worth noting that most complaints focus on user experience issues, such as billing confusion or refund delays, not on missing content or fake access. That's an important distinction, because scam platforms usually have complaints about not delivering anything at all. Tixu AI's domain, tixu.ai, was created on February 3, 2025, so while it's not extremely old, it's also not brand new or created just a few days ago, which adds a bit more credibility. So, is Tixu AI legit or a scam? Based on available information, user reviews, and platform behavior, Tixu AI appears to be a legitimate AI learning platform, not a guaranteed income scheme. It offers real educational content and access to AI tools, but it's not a magic solution for making money. If you're someone who actually wants to learn how to use AI tools for productivity, content creation, or online work, it may be useful. However, if you're expecting instant earnings or passive income just by signing up, you're likely to be disappointed.